Hello everyone, welcome to Nexvora Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to skip the login screen every time you open Cisco Packet Tracer. Many users feel irritated because Packet Tracer asks for login again and again. Sometimes due to slow internet connection, the login may fail and you are unable to access your project. So in this video, I will show you two simple methods. I'm going to close this Packet Tracer. First method is, one easy way is to simply disconnect your internet connection before opening Packet Tracer. This way the login screen will not appear and you can use the software without interruption. So see, there is no any login screen. Now I'm going to show you another method using firewall setting. Just close this and connect the internet. Another method is by using Windows Firewall. First open the run box and type firewall.cpl, and now click on advanced setting, and here you need to create inbound and outbound rules to block Packet Tracer from accessing the internet. First, click on inbound rules, that is on your left side of the screen. On the right side of this inbound rule, click new rule, select program and click next. Now choose the Packet Tracer program location. The Packet Tracer location is inside the program files. There is Cisco Packet Tracer and there is bin folder where you can find Packet Tracer executable file. Select it and open and click on next. Here in action you have to block the connection, then just click next and also next, then give name for this rule. Then click finish. Again you have to create another rule for outbound rules. Click new rule and select program and click next and choose the Packet Tracer location and click next and block the connection. Again next and give the name for this rule. Now you have created two rules to block the Packet Tracer. Now you can access the Packet Tracer without getting any login screen. Here you can see now there is no any irritating login screen. The problem is solved. So that's how you can skip or avoid the login issue in the Cisco Packet Tracer using simple method. I hope this video helped you solve your problem, especially if you were getting stuck due to login errors or slow internet. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Nexvora Tech, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.